National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Spalding County in west central Georgia, north central Monroe County in central Georgia, southern Henry County in north central Georgia, Butts County in central Georgia, Jasper County in central Georgia, southern Newton County in north central Georgia until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Turtle Cove, Oregon, 8 miles northeast of Jackson, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McDonough, Covington, Jackson, Monticello, Locust Grove, Porterdale, Newborn, Flavilla, Mansfield, Jenkinsburg, Shadydale, Stewart, Blacksville, Ola, Turtle Cove, Werthville, Blount, Eudora, Luella, and North Alcovy. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Significant weather advisory.